Imagine typing one sentence and watching your entire workflow build and execute itself. No setup, no wiring, just pure automation. This isn't Zapier. This is something way smarter. Introducing Pogey. Pogey is a prompt to workflow engine. You type a task and it executes across apps like Google Workspace, Slack, GitHub, LinkedIn, and more. Follow along with me and see how cool that is. Click the link down in the description, sign up, and when you sign up, sign into your account. I'm going to sign in right now to my account. I'm adding right now my email, adding the password. And when you sign in, this is the dashboard you will be able to see. Now, when you want to create a new workflow instantly, you just click New Chat so you can chat with Pogey. And this is the page you will see at New Chat. You can create tailored slides from documents. You can fact check and analyze your existing documents. You can create a notification system for Codebase. You can triangle emails for prioritization and report on Slack. Even create social media posts on any topic, or even create custom weekly industry reports, and anything you can think of. Pokee works with a lot of apps that you can think, like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Reddit, Slack, Gmail, Google Calendar, anything you can think of, Pogey works with them for your automation. And the way that an automation is formed based on a sentence is with the token-powered automation model. Tasks are executed using credits that are tied to its native token. And early users can access discounted plans and priority roadmap influence, which is ideal for marketeers, creators, and ops teams. They offer a free pricing model, which gives you 300 credits per month. And then they have the Lite for 5,000 credits a month, Pro for 15,000 a month, and the Ultra, which is 100,000 credits a month. And if you want to use a discount, you can pay on a yearly basis and have a 30% off. And what I did, I clicked Create LinkedIn Posts with Research. And I'm going to give a tone, which is the tone that I want my LinkedIn posts to have. Maybe it's a professional, informative, or maybe more casual. Then I'm going to give a topic, and Pokey will research about this specific topic to find trends from last week on Google. Then it will summarize it for me and create posts on my behalf. When I have everything set up, I will just click Run, and the workflow will run on its own. And you can see I wrote as a tone, have a professional and at the same time casual tone. Topic, cryptocurrencies bull run right now and expectations for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Chainlink, and Uniswap and Avalanche. And I'm going to click Run. It asks me to connect my LinkedIn. I gave permission to Pogey to connect to my LinkedIn, and it starts the workflow. And you can see it got approved. Now it's running, and we wait for the creation of the posts. And I can see the whole process Pogey goes through to execute this workflow. And as you can see, I did nothing besides just giving it a prompt. And the post is ready. I click the link, and the post was done from Pogey on my behalf. That's amazing. And Pogey doesn't require any API setup, manual configurations, just type and go like you see me doing on this example. And as you've seen, you can have real-world use cases with Pogey. Automate social media posting like I did for my LinkedIn, email replies, document creation, and even analytics, all from one single prompt. For example, you can schedule a LinkedIn post, summarize my last YouTube video, and email the report. Pogey does all that for you. Pogey is redefining automation for marketeers, creators, and SMBs. With the Presale live, early adopters can look in utility tokens before public launch and shape the future of agent-based productivity. And Pogey even supports reproducible workflows. You can change inputs, return tasks, and scale instantly. It is integrating right now in 30 platforms that we've seen already, like Google Docs, Sheets, Slack, Instagram, GitHub, ClickUp, and more. And it starts, as we've seen also, from a free plan to pro tiers for agencies, SMBs, and enterprise teams. It's ideal for marketeers, influencers, prosumers, and ops teams looking to scale without hiring. Click the link down in the description and start using Pogey today. If you want to automate your entire workflow with one sentence and actually own the technology behind it, check out Pogey's Presale. It's live now and early access won't last. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to also like and subscribe to our channel and leave in the comments any questions you may have and we will answer them for you. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.